thing is scuffed up. As long as it floats, I guess. Trying to make it into a rowboat with kayak paddles, and then maybe into an electric. You know, with a nice DC motor and a couple big batteries. This would probably go for waves. Probably go long waves. This is grimy in there. Gotta get down to the boat launch here. Hopefully it's clear this time. Every time I go down there, there's a bunch of military looking type people. No, not in uniform or anything, just, you know, like civilian military. Standing around, right in the boat launch, shooting the shit, blocking us up. They're big ass, but nice boats. Whatever. I wasn't about to unload this grimy thing here. At least if it's clean, I could be like, hey, I got plans for it. I'm working on a project. But if I pull it out all covered in green slime, they'll be like, ugh. I don't know why I'm so concerned, other than I gotta wash it anyway, so we'll get it out of the way now. I don't get teased about it or something. This is liable to happen. You're like, gross. Look, somebody call the police. No problem, they're right across the street. And they are. Directly at the city hall. Okay, that's about as good as it gets, I think. At least for now. There's my seat. This was foam off the steering wheel. But I found a place where I set it down in there. And I kind of put this up there. I sit down right there, and it's a nice position, sitting upright. Check it out, it's not so heavy I can't lift it. That thing gonna work. That will. It ain't light, but it's not so heavy it can't be wrestled around. That's how I sealed it. Pieces of the styrofoam that came out of it and glue up in all those. Bent that hose back around and clamped it down again. So yeah, let's go launch it and see.